At first, let's see preview of video. How to make glass break tutorial within 35 seconds like this. Now let's get start. Here I am use glass break transition. At first turn on mobile data or Wi-Fi network. Now timer start. First of all click on asset store. Then click on transition and source heat and break. Then download it. Now click on transition on video layer. Then go on transition effect and choose heat and break transition effect. Now add sound effect and finally ready your glass break tutorial. Finally, I hope like this video. If you want more transition effect and about video editing, please comment below. And also don't forget like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.